Beep beep, everybody. Hope you're all having a great day. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today we are opening up two hanger boxes of, once we figure out what Grimace is doing here, it's like he's kind of like floating through the air. Oh my, what are you guys doing? Jeez. All right, back off. We're opening these up. Two hanger boxes of 2023 Topps Heritage. I found these at a Walgreens. That's pretty much all they had at the Walgreens. They had some of those $5 baseball boxes from Fairfield, and I didn't feel like buying them for some reason. I still have some of them on my shelf. I don't know if I'm going to open them up. I don't think people are as interested in that as they were maybe a year ago. So let's open this up and see what we find. Boop, boop, boop. And this will give us a chance to see if this is better than the hobby box and a blaster box. Because I think I opened up some blaster boxes on here. And if you want to see those videos, check out my channel. I have openings for all the Topps Heritage products of this year, I think. And I like the hobby box. I thought I got some good stuff out of it. I guess my only issue with it was quality control with the bottom edge of the cards. If you're interested in the odds, you may pause the video here and have a look at them if you want to. The no purchase necessary information is also there, although it looks like that has expired already. It's June 7, I guess, is when they needed to receive the request, and it is now July. So, oops, brains to that. And these have 35 cards per pack. They're smaller than the hanger boxes that you get with the regular Topps base set. And I don't know if they... Well, this one's giving me some troubles getting open. We'll open it up from the bottom. Can't seem to find anything to grip onto here. There we go. I think. Nothing like child-proof packaging. Usually children don't have a problem with it, but adults sure do. Alrighty, this follows the 1974 Topps design. If you have not seen this product yet, I'm sure by now there's been a lot of it out there, a lot of videos out there on it, so you could probably do a search for it. And here's what I mean by the bottom edge. You see there's like little pieces of stuff, little fuzz along the bottom there. And so that continues into the hanger boxes, so we'll start with Joan Duran. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I just saw him in a video the other day, and he threw a 105-mile-an-hour fastball. That's impressive. Cal Raleigh, Wilmer Flores, Hunter Dozier on the landscape version of this. Matt Strom. I will give Topps credit. I think they did a good job replicating the 1974 design. It looks just like what I remember it. I have a complete 74 set in my collection that I bought back in the 90s. And they did a good job of this. And if you're curious, this is what the backs of them look like. And they look just like the 74 set. And everything is as authentic as it can possibly be. The only difference is probably all that small fine print down at the bottom is not on the original cards. Kyle Schwarber, Tony Kemp, Nicky Lopez, Evan Longoria, Alex Call rookie card, Freddie Freeman, Brandon Nimmo, Chris Bassett, Luis Ortiz rookie card, Randy Arozarena, Ryan Nelson rookie card, Adley Rushman rookie card, that's a good one, Kyle Bradish rookie card, Hunter Renfroe, Yeri Rodriguez rookie card, The 2022 earned run average leaders, Justin Verlander and Julio Urias, and this matches the way the cards from the 74 set were designed. They give a listing of the top leaders there on the back. Nolan Jones rookie card, G-Man Choi. We have, I guess this is a Topps Heritage Chrome of Shohei Ohtani. Oh, wow. That is number 951 out of... No, 51. 51 out of 374. It couldn't be number 951 out of 374. At least I think that's Heritage Chrome. Let me look at the back of the box and see if there's... So let's see. Chrome Silver, Chrome Refractor, Chrome. It's refracting, that's for sure. So it's either a Chrome Refractor or a Chrome Silver. And I don't think it's a Super Refractor. So that would be 1 out of 55 hanger boxes, I guess. So pretty cool. So that is a very nice pull. Sometimes you can get good stuff at your Walgreens. And that was a good one. Keegan Aiken. Flashbacks from 74. Seaver becomes highest paid pitcher, and deservedly so if you've ever looked at his statistics from back in the day. Oh, we got some kind of a slight printing issue on the back. The ink is not printed on the card very well, and it kind of looks like maybe some kind of a smudging was going on. Did I just see a fly by? Looks like he got paid $172,500 in a season. Geez, like, I guess players that just come up that had to have no experience today make that much. Maybe, I don't know. Yainer Diaz, rookie card. Simeon Woods Richardson, rookie card. All-Star cards. They look just like what the 74 set had. Clayton Kershaw and Shane McClanahan for, I guess, starting pitcher. And on the back, they give a box score of the 2022 All-Star Game on this particular card. I don't know if they do that across all the All-Star cards. Can't remember. Brett Beatty, rookie card. Jeff McNeil. Logan O'Hoppe, rookie card. Mookie Betts. And Garrett Cooper. Now, one of the things about the Heritage set is I think cards 401 to 500 are short prints, and instead of flipping each one, I thought maybe this time I would just look at their backs from here. Short prints, I guess, are 1 in 2 hanger boxes. So we got one here. Keegan Aiken is a short print, so we'll put that over here, and we'll check this pile, which is basically things that I'm planning on putting in the main PC. And that's the only one we had was the Keegan Aiken. I guess we'll put that in a separate pile over here. Let's open up the second hanger box. I usually like to do 2 hanger boxes if I can, if that's available at the store. I think these cost me about $13 and some change each. So they have gone up in price. And I usually like to buy 2 of them so that you can get a more feel for the product. Just in case one of the hanger boxes is kind of a dud, maybe the second hanger box will give you something more interesting to look at. Give examples of cards that didn't appear in the first one, especially things like insert cards and things like that. Eugenio Suarez, Tommy Edman. If we're going to look for short prints, let's put this in a separate one here. Tommy Edman. One thing I forgot to mention is you'll see that the location above is blank for all the Angels cards, and there's some disagreement on if it's Anaheim or Los Angeles Angels in Anaheim, or whatever that official name was at one point. And because of the confusion, And the issue it was causing the city of Anaheim and the city of Los Angeles, they just decided to call the club Angels. And since Topps is the official MLB whatever with baseball cards, they're following suit by not putting a place name at the top, whereas the rest of the cards for all the other teams do, like this one here. And here's an example of that fuzziness along the bottom edge. Jonah Heim. There's Paul Goldschmidt. Merrill Kelly. Let's slide these over, make it a little easy for my arms to move around. Isaiah Kiner Falefa. Brady Singer. Corbin Burns. Jorge Polanco. Bubba Thompson rookie card. Julio Rodriguez rookie cup card, and yeah, that has a lot of fuzz along the bottom of that one. Lars Nootbaar. Jose Iglesias. Seiya Suzuki. Max Scherzer. Dansby Swanson. Tyro Estrada. Keston Hiura. Tristan McKenzie. Luis Patino. Kyle Tucker. Bryson Stott. Charlie Morton. Kenley Jansen. Ivan Herrera. Eli Morgan. Flashbacks from 74. Observation deck opens on the Sears Tower. That's nice. Israel... I'm not sure how that's pronounced. Israel Pineda, or is it Israel? That's his rookie card. Hunter Brown rookie card. Here's the home run leaders. That's Aaron Judge and Kyle Schwarber. And it shows your home run leaders on the back. Miguel Andujar. Cesar Hernandez. Zach Thompson rookie card. Salvador Perez. And Max Muncy. And let's go through this bunch and see if we found a short print. We're looking for 401 to 500. And later on in the year, they'll come out with a high number version of this. That's sort of like an update, you could call it, that will be numbered 501 to 7 something. And the short prints in that set will appear from 701 onward. So our short print for this one is Eli Morgan. So we got 2 short prints and 2 hanger boxes, so not a bad deal. We didn't get anything real special in that second one, so our big hit of these 2 hanger boxes is this, I'm not sure if it's it's a chrome refractor, I'm guessing, and it looks like that's 1 in 55 hanger boxes. And it's of Shohei Ohtani, and it is numbered 51 out of 374, so I will definitely cherish that. That's a nice card to get. And it may be probably the best heritage card I pulled, even out of the hobby box. Considering I don't remember what I got out of that hobby box, maybe this is the best card. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Hope you all have a great day. Thanks for tuning in. Beep, beep. And beep, beep. Take care, everybody. Beep, beep.